Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobbydude 007 channel and Model Cars and Coffee with Hobbydude. This year, our great nation celebrates its 250th birthday. And to that end, a number of shows and contests around the country have themes that are related to that. Several of them, NNL East, Atlanta, have themes like red, white, and blue, and I know there's several other ones out there like that. And I have an idea for these themes that I want to share with you, so let's get to it. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. All right, guys, what better way to say America than American Motors? I dug this out of the stash with one thing in mind, and that was to have this red, white, and blue and have it actually on the racetrack with a driver figure in it at speed. And I thought that would be kind of cool. Not a drag car, but more like an, well, I'll show you what I have in mind. This is not the kit I'm going to use, but I am going to take the body out. I want to share something with you about this. Love these old Johan cars because you never know what color it's going to be molded in. This is orange. You got some flat white primer on the inside. But what I'm going to use is a body I picked up at NNL East this past year from Jimmy Flintstone. And it's a Javelin ASA car. And this is, I think, kind of cool. All right, we've got our windows, our spoiler and front valance, and in the hood is already molded in, and it's going to be on track at speed. I thought that would be kind of cool. See where the exhaust ports are already cut out. And I was told when I picked this up that this was designed after this kit, which you can pretty much see, it's pretty much dead on with that kit. But it was designed, and you'll notice too how the fenders are cut out for the ASA, as it was mentioned. And I love that. And also note that they're a little bit flared out. Not much, but you can tell that they have been flared out. But I think for an ASA, and I'd never seen this before, I had not even seen this on the website. I have it is on there now, by the way, but just ASA Javelin. And I was told that the chassis for this was one of the ASA kits. So I broke this one out, and I went ahead and cut the chassis off of it real quick. I wanted to line up, make sure our wheelbase was going to be right from the get-go, and I wasn't doubting anybody's. I just wanted to get a look at how it was going to look. And before I get to that, let me share this with you real quick. I always loved that great big spoiler on the back of these Javelins. I mean, look at that. Look at that thing. Oh, I got it upside down. Nope, there it goes. You got your little indentations there. And of course the resin needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but that great big spoiler sticking up on the back there, I think that just looks cool. And then there's that front lower valance that sits right up in there like that. I think that's going to look really cool. And these things sitting really low to the ground, and like I said, at speed with the driver figure in it, it's going to look pretty good. The chassis, line up our front end there, nice and centered. And let me get this right. Love these offset chassis too. There we go. And if you've built these before, you know that from where that tank loop is there, that rear end sits right there in that joint. So we're lined up centered in the front. Looks like that's going to be about right. And like I said, I think with the driver figure in it and this thing at speed, red, white, and blue, not sure which configuration I want to do yet. May do it like the old SCCA car of Mark Donahue's. Don't know yet, don't know. But I think this might be a pretty good one to do. And for some reason, instead of having it open, detailed, I just thought it would look good on a racetrack at speed. So in the comments, guys, please put down there what you think of that. And if you're interested in one of these, go to Jimmy Flintstone Studios or Jimmy Flintstone Productions .com, and you can get you one of these puppies too. I think that is just really cool. And again, for red, white, and blue, I think an American Motors is an appropriate vehicle. Okay, guys, that is it for this one. Tell you what, these old Javelins, I tell you what beautiful lines these things had. But yeah, head over, get you one, and jump in on this theme at any of these themes coming up. I think these are originally, this was one I wanted to do a drag car out of, and I still may do that down the road. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, guys, have a great week. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.